Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Tab 2 A10-30 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, tap this icon right here. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on language and input. Here tap on language. And now we have a list of languages. We can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you like to use, and tap on it to apply it. I'm gonna select, for example, Deutsch. And as you can see, the language changed. Let's bring it back to English. Like this. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.